G'day guys, Mitch here from Finance Fitness Coaching. Look, if you like our videos, please subscribe, forward to your friends, let us know what you like, add some comments, and we'll tailor stuff to suit you. Today, we're going to talk about how to buy a property using the right terminology inside of a trust. Okay, a lot of people don't get this, they don't understand. They might just put the company name, they might just put them themselves as a trustee, they might just put the trust down. But how to actually use the trust to buy and therefore own the property long-term inside of a trust structure. So let's go through what a typical family trust structure looks like first. Normally up here we would have a company. Might be you as director, might be you and your partner as director of this trustee company. It's very important that the company does not even have a bank account, does not have a trust, a tax file number, etc., etc. Really, this is just the controller of this trust. Now, this is in this case a discretionary family trust, but other trusts could be down here, could be unit trust or a hybrid or special pedigree or bloodline trust or etc., etc. So the director would be also be a primary beneficiary. So if there's mum and dad as directors, you would have mum and dad as primary beneficiaries. You do not need to name anyone else as primary beneficiaries or secondary beneficiaries. So the company as trustee for the family trust. So you would write that like this on a contract of sale. So it would be ABC Pty Ltd ATF. Now ATF stands for as trustee for the 123 trust. So these names obviously change to suit. This name has to be registered with ASIC. You pay that on a per annum basis. The 123 trust, it can be any name. I don't like to use my own name. I tell clients that don't call it holdings or investments or property developments. Call it something that means something to you, so that it's a little bit more discreet. If anything goes wrong in your life and a solicitor tries to find all the stuff that you own in your name, they might look for company names or etc., etc. also. So it's a very smart play to go ABC as Pty Ltd as trustee for the 123 trust. Now that signs the contract. You sign the contract as director of the 123 trust in the company, and then you go get a bank account in ABC as trustee for the 123 trust. The bank account does not go in this name. The bank account goes in this name, even though your statement might only read this on top, because really it's the trust that's the owner at the bottom. So when you open the bank accounts, if they're not asking for a 123 trust deed, then you're not doing it right, okay? The team at FFC can help you, tell you how to do it, tell you the right things to say, send you to our guys as well that can help you with that. So how to use a property, how to buy a trust inside this structure. The company as trustee for the trust, you're the primary beneficiary, you're the director. The director has to personally guarantee this loan, okay? So anyone who's the director up here needs to provide their income, their assets and their liability upon application of the loan for this property if you're buying it in that entity. But then that's it. You just show the discretionary family trustee and away you go. And so then we can talk about like-minded entity swap, sending money between trusts, from businesses to other trusts, to holding real estate in different entities. It's really important that we get this, how to use a trust to buy and own a property. And remember, ABC as trustee for the 123 trust. And you can have up to 3 trusts on top of the one company, underneath the one company, to help you build your portfolio over time. This is Mitch signing off now. I want to see you at a seminar soon where you can learn more, much more. We have a team of experts. If you like what we do, please subscribe, send emails, get back to us, communicate. We love helping people. This is Mitch. Talk to you soon.